In this video we want to show you the Black Box Med. The Blackroll box for exercises for your back. These tools can reduce your back pain. It can give a massage while stretching and straightening your muscles back to the position they used to be. This Blackroll box includes 4 different exercise tools. We bought this box at Amazon. You can find the article link below this video. Each tool can be bought separately too. If you buy them in a box, you get a bundle price, which makes it a bit cheaper. We gonna show you each part separately in detail in its texture with one quick way to use it. Okay, let us have a close look at each tool, including a short example to use it on your legs. This Blackroll got a small production failure. Here are some exercises recommended by the manufacturer. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.